This is Gary Stocker with College Viability. Let's go beyond the college brochure. If you've ever bought a house, you know the dance. You spend your weekends at open houses, walking across polished hardwood floors and admiring the quartz countertops. You check the must-have list. Maybe for you, it's a laundry room on the main level because you're done hauling baskets up from the basement. You compare the school districts, you look at the HOA fees, you imagine your life inside those walls. It's a game of comparison. You're looking for the best fit from a set of options. But once you find the one, the house you want, the dream house that you've been looking for, before you sign that 30-year mortgage commitment, you do something else. You do something different. You don't call a decorator. You don't call a lawn service. You call an inspector. You call a housing inspector. Because you see, the house inspector doesn't care about the paint color or the curb appeal. He isn't there to tell you this house is prettier than the one down the street. He's there, he or she's there, to crawl into the dark spaces. They're looking for the foundation cracks, the water damage beyond the drywall, and the termites eating the wooden joists. They aren't comparing, they are inspecting. They're asking one absolute high-stakes question: is this structure sound? And yet when it comes to a $100,000 plus college decision, most families stop at the open house. We've been trained, as we look for colleges, to treat that college search like a stroll through Zillow. We load up 5 schools in a side-by-side comparison tool and ask which one ranks higher, or which one has the better major, which one has my major. We look at the features, the shiny new gem, the study abroad program, and the prestige of the brand. But a college can offer a major the same way a house can have a roof. The real question is whether that roof is going to be there, whether that major is going to be there in good condition when the storm hits, or when the cutbacks and layoffs hits in 3 years. Families are committing 4 years of their children's lives and 6 figures plus in college costs on the curb appeal of a 4-colored admissions brochure. They are walking into that $100,000 contract without ever looking behind the walls. We call it choosing a college. We think it's about finding the best fit, whatever that may be. But here at College Viability, we've realized that comparison is the wrong mental model for that final college decision. You don't need a tool to tell you which school is better. Those tools are already out there in prominent display. You also need an inspector. You need a college inspector to tell you if the school is financially and academically and functionally safe. We created the College Viability Transparency Tool. It's not a ranking system. It's a structural inspection. It doesn't ask, how does this school score? It asks, does this school clear the threshold of financial health and viability that protects your families and your students' investment? Most families skip the inspection, if there was such a thing, because they think the I dotters and T crossers at the accreditation agencies are doing it for them. But as we have seen, the watchmen at those agencies are often asleep at the gate when it comes to managing the financial health of a college. Don't buy the mirage on the hill just because it looks good. Hire the college inspector. Use the tool that the inspector created. Check the foundation. Check the foundation. Because the biggest risks to your students' future aren't what you see in the brochure. They're what the college is hiding under the floorboards. And now we have gone beyond the college brochure. This is Gary Stocker with College Viability.